The CM Expert directory allows you to create a site with a comprehensive directory of experts. In this video, we will create a directory where users can suggest experts. First, set up the directory if you haven't done so. Navigate to the admin dashboard, CM Expert directory, Settings. Under Moderation Settings, choose the roles who can add experts. Also here, you can enable moderation. This means that every time someone suggests an expert, the status will be pending until you approve the submission. Place the Community Expert Form shortcode on the page where you want to display the expert form. In the Settings, Community Expert tab, check the Add an Expert Form section. There are some important settings. Edit the link to suggest an expert form. This can be shown in the Expert Directory index page. Link the page with Suggest an Expert form. You can click the Edit page to open the page editor. Check the box to add a link to the Suggest an Expert link on the Expert Directory index page. Set the maximum number of categories that users can assign an expert to. The admin can always add more categories. The Suggest form is quite flexible. To access which fields are available and required, head to Admin Dashboard, Expert Directory, Settings, Community Experts Labels tab. Here you can set the label of each field. Some fields have the option to be set as visible and mandatory. Now, when the user reaches the page with the Suggest form, they will be able to send the data. You can add a dashboard so that the user can edit the expert assigned to his or her profile. This is done by using this shortcode on any page. Optional attributes are Show Footer. Input the value 1 to display the footer and 0 to hide it. The footer is the line containing the expert count and the Suggest Expert link. Show Header. Set 1 to show the header, set 0 to disable. Edit on backend. Set 1 to allow users to access the backend editor, set 0 to disable. Now, let's make sure you and your users are notified of important events regarding submission status. You can enable or disable and configure these notifications. To the admin, user suggests an expert, user claims an expert, and to the user, submission was accepted or declined, claim rejected, information about how to log in to an expert profile. Claims management. Check the box to allow experts to be claimed by site users. If this is checked, then users can claim existing expert pages which have not been claimed yet. Logging form on expert page lets users log in to an expert profile on that expert's page. Require CAPTCHA for claims, check the box to add reCAPTCHA to secure expert claiming form. Allow multiple pending claims for one expert, check the box to allow multiple claims by one expert.